Let's explore the unique traits of winter veggies. They are peak in winter, storing sugars to endure the cold without freezing. That delightful sweetness you taste, it comes from this natural process. Packed with vitamins and beta-carotene, winter veggies boost immunity and ward off seasonal sniffles. Daikon radish, which is a winter radish known for its crisp texture and mild flavor. It's not just delight for our taste buds. Daikon is also low in calories and rich in vitamin C, promoting a healthy immune system. It's also an excellent source of potassium, supporting heart health. I want you to listen to this crunch. Can you hear? We're supposed to eat this little by little, but this is dangerously addictive. So good.
好き。
好き？お、たくあんだよ。黄色くないけど。美味しいよね。お茶漬けと食べると美味しいよ。順番こで。ダメ？ダメか？分かった。
To complete the dish, we need protein and carbs, right? So let me introduce a cozy creamy soup using daikon radish. If you make rice with this soup and takuan, you're gonna master a traditional Japanese style of cooking called ichiju issai. Let me put the rice recipe in the description box below.
熱い。
細かくなってゆっとりするので頑張って4/3 ぐらい。Now let's add a vibrant touch to our winter palette with spinach. This leafy green not only brings color to our dishes, but also a burst of nutrients. Spinach is loaded with iron, perfect for maintaining energy level during the colder months. The key to success with this simple dish is to make sure that the sesame seeds are toasted and well grounded. 作ってくれたごまあえ。あ、お箸持ってきて。ありがとう。
2人ともほうれん草しか食べない。ほうれん草まずどうですか？
味が濃くて美味しい。人参は人気じゃないね。
人参は人気じゃ。それはね。また作るからそんな喧嘩しないで。喧嘩するほど好きってすごい。なかなかないの。
This spinach gomae is probably one of the most popular vegetable dish in Japan, and I have over 350 recipes on my blog right here. But I didn't have a recipe of spinach gomae until one of my Ikigai Cooking Club members told me to request. So sometimes some major popular recipe kind of slip off from my mind. So request me anytime. I'm happy to create any recipe for you. For me, carrots are staple vegetable always present in my home. Do you also have them in your household? While the peak season varies depending on the country and the type of carrots, they offer numerous health benefits when consumed during the winter. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, promoting good vision and skin health. Trust me, your taste buds and your body are in for a treat. I opt for this amazake as a sweetener. I use it as a replacement of sugar. It's a mixture of rice and rice koji and being fermented. If you want to dive deeper, I created a video about this amazake, so let me put the link in the description box below.
本気？
もう一回食べる。食べたい。
じゃあおいでそうじゃん。甘
食べたい。
どう？
い。おいしい？
うん。
おいしい？イエーイ！じゃこ汁じゃなかった。2回来た。
食べたい。
すごいよ。
Lastly, let's not forget about the Napa cabbage. There is something about its crunchiness. In Japanese cooking, we love it for salad, pickles, and soups for the ability to soak up the flavors. Besides being tasty, Napa cabbage is packed with vitamin K, which is great for keeping our bones healthy. New Year's approaching and I can't believe how fast the time flies. I say this every year, especially with kids. If your New Year resolution is to cook more and stay healthy with Japanese cooking, I welcome you to join our Ikigai Cooking family. Most of us know what we want to change to maintain our health through food, but it's hard to make it to the path without any support. The goal of this program is for you to transform your life with the power of Japanese cooking. Not only will you learn from the video, but also you will have a real people, including myself, supporting you in an exclusive community. If you are interested, the link is in the description box. Thanks a lot for watching. See you soon. またね。